channel messages for the 24th of October. Aquarius, this is your messages. Let's go ahead and okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Anyways,
Ayo, Buckfit.
Pisces. I'm sorry, Aquarius. I'm sorry, yeah. But it done gone bad. Accredit.
Ayo, Buckfit.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's stop. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius. I have new decks, which is why I'm going kind of faceless right now, because my face card never declined. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius. Let us. Ooh. We are starting off with the new version tarot, Aquarius, the star card. Just feel like, in case you haven't discovered, I want to share it with you. Because when God chooses his toughest soldier, he gonna make them with a tight pussy. Let's go. Aquarius. First card out is the Ten of Pentacles. So I'm getting family, Aquarius. I'm getting a lot of money. I'm getting welcome to the family. Or I'm getting this group wants to include you. Now, you should know that sometimes when people are jealous of you, they'll say that you don't want to be a part of the group. Yet your teenage daughter wants to go to the mall with her friends and you constantly tell her, no. Your teenage daughter wants to sleep over. You say she can't sleep over. She's like, I hate you, Mom. You just never make me live my life. You just always control. I just don't know how you and Dad even got together with this attitude. Okay, sometimes your daughter hates you. Do you turn your back on your daughter? Because I'm just saying, a lot of teenagers can talk about overprotective parents who teenagers believe that overprotective parents made them life a mosque, basically. But the parents still, no matter how much the teenagers try to rebel or whatever, the parents still, I mean some parents, not all parents. Because I'm getting someone saying you don't want to be a part of the family. Yeah, but maybe you're just a quiet one. Maybe you're the one who gets along with everybody. I'm getting somebody who wants, I'm getting money. It's a come with money. You want to be family? You want my last name? Yes. Word is on the street, you like money? My last name is money. My last name is ATM. My last name is Bank. Speaking of Mr. Banks, good morning, Mr. Banks. And I hope Mrs. Martel is doing okay. Anyways, and I cannot forget Mrs. Banks. Ten of Pentacles. I'm getting someone wants to invite you to the family, or I'm getting some out of account. Something. It could be inheritance. Could be family inheritance. No, I don't know what this is, but I want to say this. I have not seen the Sun card. Aquarius, me getting you're a celebrity. Maybe somebody's wondering, how are you a struggling celebrity when your family rich? So I'm not sure if you're coming from a family who, because them rich, them dictate what you can and cannot be in life. That would be like, me getting, for example, your father was an artist. Your father is a singer. You want to be a singer. But your father tell you no. But because you're not listening to your father, he's a struggling singer, he's a struggling artist. And everybody's like, why your dad won't help you? No, in your dad's head, he probably don't want you to be in the industry for whatever reasons. Or it could be jealousy. We don't know. But me getting you're a struggling artist coming from a very rich family. So me getting your family disown you. Or your family decide to abandon you because of the dreams you decide to chase after. Aquarius, a star card. It could be something very taboo. Maybe your family is saying you don't even need to be doing this. Yeah, but why do girls from homes with both mom and dad who never had to struggle, why them decide to sell them body pictures online? They don't need the money. It's not a struggling single mother. It's not a struggling girl who need to pay her bills. She could have called And I know kids will say, oh, I don't want to call my parents and bother them for things. But I'm saying, you rather call your parents and bother them for things or sell pictures of your pussy? So let us talk about real independence. That is, that you can't say you're being independent by that. And they came from great homes. They came from, they finished college. They had the best of everything. Then why would, then what is the validation that both parents in the household did not give the child, while the child feel like, well, I still want to build something for myself, regardless of my parents' money. Let me go into something very taboo. Again, Ten of Pentacles. Now again, I did not see the Sun card, but this can be a family inheritance that only kicks in after you have a baby. I'm not sure if somebody's trying to say you need to be responsible before you have this money. A child does not make you responsible. You're actually irresponsible for getting pregnant. You know that? Let's go. We have the Ten of Pentacles. We also have the 7. Yeah, you're getting blocked. The family is blocking you. It could be a specific family. Like a specific family is blocking you. They might block your entrance. Maybe life insurance or something was left for you and you are not a part of the family and they're wondering, how is she getting access to this money? You're supposed to be getting access to this money, but somebody in the family, could be a man, a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or getting somebody to block you from, you're being blocked from your family, you're being blocked from help, you're being blocked from this money, them blocking you. Aquarius, maybe because you're a star. Maybe because them want you be a normal nobody, a normal insecure nobody, brainless, zombie, walking dead, whole, before them get the money. You can't have the money, but you have to still be insecure. You can't be a celebrity and be all of this and maybe the plan was for you to live a normal life and get this money. You want to be a celebrity, you're going to get money. Don't make give you the money and you follow your dreams. Usually people follow them dreams and don't have money. Or they don't chase them dreams for secure a good job so they do have money. You can't get both. Or that's what someone's saying. But Aquarius, you're the star. Your rightful place is fame. Your rightful place is fortune. Your rightful place is influence. You're getting a being blocked. It could be a specific family member. They don't want you to talk to the family. They don't want you to have nobody around you. No one, no help, nothing. Maybe somebody wants to be the sole one you run to and call. Yeah, the 5 of Swords. Yeah, someone's spiteful as fuck and they hate you. They don't like you and they like everyone. They don't like the things you do, but I'm sure they like the Asians. I've been so caught up in terror, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better off eating Wotan. Cause if you like, yeah, the 5 of Swords, spite. Somebody hates you. They don't want you here. They don't want you a part of this. They don't want you to get help. It's a no. It's a no from the judges. It's a no from Anthony Miller. It's a no. The 5 of Swords is spite. Could be your own family spiting you. Maybe you're getting spited because of the family you come from. Aquarius. Because I'm getting, they don't want to let you in because of your last name. So I'm not sure if them want you change your name or them just saying no. The family you come from, no. You know, say if the girl you did marry did say no, she want to be at home, overweight, being fucked on. But she took the risk, didn't she? Okay. We have a 6 of Swords. Yeah, somebody want you to leave. Or at least abandon your dreams. Like abandon that. You see that shit right there? You better let it the fuck go. I'm getting somebody want you to let it go. 6 of Cups. 6 of Swords. You have to leave, relocate. You have to let it go. 5 of Swords to the 6 of Swords. Yeah, them going to spite you so you leave. Them going to spite you so you don't feel a sense of belonging. You're going to leave on your own. Because of the spite. One more. And we have the 55. Yeah, 5. 55. Or maybe somebody was supposed to have you around, but you're the outcast. And the outcast can't be outcasted if the outcast is not present. You need the outcast to be present to feel outcasted. We have 55 two times, yeah. Because I'm getting, even though somebody do you dirty, them can't help but feel bad. They're your family. Especially if you find out. 55. So I'm getting a big change. This could be the change of letting go of your family. We have 55. 55 is the number of change. You're going to find out somebody betray you. It's going to be very hurtful, very disappointing. But I'm getting you will heal, you'll move on. I'm getting it's better, Aquarius. You find out family and friends disappoint you on your way to fame. Then you were already famous, you had everything, and then they disappointed you. So just call yourself lucky that people could betray you before you have everything. Some people get betrayed after. We're going to the Kvidivian Tarot. I don't know, there's something about the lighting I don't like. I don't know what's happening. Okay, we have, okay. These are demonic cards. Okay, we have decision. Yeah, you're going to have a decision to make. Do you want to still be a part of the family and be rejected by a family? Do you want to be welcoming to a new family, which may mean abandoning yours? And if you are somebody who always feel like the black sheep of the family, or you always feel neglected, getting... I got cut off, Aquarius. So, decision. You got a decision to make, Aquarius. Alright? Whether you want to maybe be the punching bag of the family and stay beneath them, or you want to abandon them and I guess do your own thing. We have the in-between. Yeah, you're in between families. You might be in between jobs. In the middle. You might be the middle child. You're in between wanting to be loyal to your friends and family. They're not loyal to you. And again, if you have abandonment issues or attachment issues, you'll always choose to stay in a situation that's toxic because it's all you have. No, you make it all you have. You're saying all I have is my wife, all I have is my husband, all I have is my family. Even if they're bad, like that's all I have, okay. Well, you can make new ones. You never had them before, you'll have it again. I'm getting in between. Yeah, we have transition. This is your transition. And if you're the star card and you're going to Hollywood, I'm just saying, a lot of people are going to betray you. You need to know that with fame, with fortune, with choosing you, yourself, because Aquarius, you want to be a star. Well, where's the sacrifice? Where's the sacrifice as being a star? You want to be the star. Yeah, you have to go through this journey alone. That's the sacrifice as a star. You have to take the humiliation alone. Now, of course, you come from a mother and father. You may come from siblings. But I feel like people can be very selfish, and when they have no attention, they want the attention on them. When you tell your story, it's your story. Now, your story may include other people, Aquarius. It have to include your mother. You came here through your mom. Your stories have to include your siblings if you came here with your siblings. Now, perhaps somebody wanted your story to be a bit more appealing, so it would not affect their star card in them charts. It wouldn't affect them reputation. But make it think somebody is taking your story personal. Oh, why she have to talk about me? Because unfortunately, my mother fucked 2 times. She fucked 5 times. We can confirm that she had sex 5 times. That's why your name is included. But I hear a story, Aquarius. It's not theirs. No, it's either you telling your story is forcing someone to tell theirs because they wanted to hide it. But weren't you the hidden secret of the family anyways. They're going to betray in Hollywood. Might as well they prep you for betrayal with your family and friends around you. What is this? We have transcendent. Yeah. You have to learn that loyalty is not by blood. It's a choice. You choose to be loyal. It's a commitment you have to make. It don't come naturally. It don't come because you have a last name. It don't come because it's the same gender. Loyalty does not come because you and somebody is the same race. Yeah, power. You have the power. People keep taking the power from you. That's why they keep exclude you. It took 100 men, it took 100 people to get you to feel like a zero. But why take so much people? All of these people are picking on me, but why take so much people for pick on you? I know guys who girlfriends tell them one thing and that was it for them. Why they need the army? Me said that's why I'm glad say what's his name? Kim Jong-un. Me just glad say him wasn't in this shit like all of uno. Dirty God. See? You look at this shit. Me said thank God he was at home with him daughter. So we get some more cards and leave it here. We have mother. Yeah, somebody you might find out your own mother did this to you. We have Pazuzu. Warn off other demons. Protect against evil forces. Now maybe you want to enter industry, but when you were a child, your mother put a spell on you for protect you against certain things. It's either you're entering an industry where your mother did protect you from when you were a baby, that's why you can't get in. Even with the talent, even with the credibility, you can't get in. You're getting your mother, for example, your mother christened you. When you were a baby, she brought you to a church, a pastor, and she did make the pastor do that to you. You see, when you grow up in a life, certain decisions you're just not going to make. You won't make it. Even though some people say, yeah man, I'm born in the church, you know, my mother is a Christian. Yes, sir. Do a survey of all the kids who got christening. And look and see if these kids are not in marriages now. Why you made a commitment to get a kid christened? It wasn't as serious as getting a commitment as to be married, but it's just a belief of knowing that if my christen my baby now, chances are they will make good choices in life. So yeah. Pazuzu, so your mother either block you from something she knew you were prone to, which means your mother was a witch. If that's not it, me getting somebody's wondering how is it that you can survive in an industry that usually suck you dry and corrupt you. Me getting there's an aura protect you, or a shadow. Getting is your mom. We have Lilith, Adam's first wife. Destruction of children. So I'm getting kids may not be in the picture for you. And we have Ariel. Natural world healing and protection of nature. I never be part of DDG's world. Mr. DDG is getting all of these, so yo, the hoes are lining up for DDG. Someday I'll be part of Halo's world. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, the star. Listen, my mother always, I remember I was in a pageant and I failed miserably. They used MK Ultra upon me and I was like, I was like, no, I didn't know what the fuck was happening. It was my first time operating my brain under microphones, big speakers, and a cheap device. But she told me a motto. She said, shoot for the moon. So if you fall, you'll always catch a star. The star card, Aquarius. Until next time, bye.